Hi, young explorers! Embark on a thrilling journey through the Sandbox Chronicles, Muddy Ocean Animals, and Farm Animals epic adventure for kids. Interactive learning. This adventure packed exploration is designed for curious minds, blending fun with learning in an exciting sandbox setting. Design rescue missions to help the animals and insects escape the mud, promoting problem solving skills. Tailored for young explorers, ensuring that all activities are safe. Kick off the video. Uncovering the secrets of Walrus. Both male and female walruses have long tusks, which are elongated canines. These tusks can grow up to 3 feet 1 meter long and are used for various purposes. Uncovering the secrets of sheep. Sheep are highly social animals and often form large flocks with some species, forming groups of over 1,000 individuals. Sheep have impressive memory skills, able to recall the evolution of starfish. Starfish typically have a star-shaped body with 5 arms, although some species can have as many as 40 arms. They exhibit radial symmetry, meaning their body parts are arranged around a central axis. Uncovering the secrets of llama. Llamas have a thick coat of wool, which can be coarse or soft depending on the breed. Their wool is not as fine as that of Octopuses but is still valuable for making robes. Uncovering the secrets of rabbit. Rabbits are social creatures and often live in groups. In the wild, they form colonies or warrens where they interact, groom each other, and share responsibilities, such as looking out for predators. The life cycle of seals. Seals are excellent divers and can hold their breath for extended periods while hunting. The Weddell seal, for instance, can dive to depths of over 2,000 feet, 600 meters, and stay submerged for up to 80 minutes. Seals are generally social animals. Uncovering the secrets of goat. Goats are incredibly adaptable and are found in nearly every region of the world, from mountainous terrains to desert and grassland. They are particularly common in parts of Africa, Asia, and the Middle East, where they are critical to local economies. Uncovering the secrets of cat. Cats have excellent night vision, which allows them to see in low light conditions. Their eyes have a reflective layer called the tapetum lucidum, which enhances their ability to see in the dark. Cats' eyes are also capable of detecting rapid movements. Uncovering the secrets of hen. Hens are generally medium-sized birds. The weight of an average hen ranges from about 4 to 6 pounds. Though this can vary with breed. For example, smaller breeds like the bantam hen are lighter. Uncovering the secrets of cow. Cows are large animals with varying weights depending on the breed. Adult cows typically weigh between 1000 to 1800 pounds. Some breeds like the Holstein are larger. Uncovering the secrets of duck. Ducks are omnivores and eat a diverse diet that includes aquatic plants, insects, small fish, and crustaceans. They often dabble at the water surface to feed or tip their bodies to reach underwater. The vibrant world of clownfish. Clownfish have a mutualistic relationship with sea anemones. They seek protection from predators by living among the anemones' stinging tentacles, which do not harm them due to a special mucus on their skin. Clownfish live in small, Uncovering the secrets of frogs. Frogs can be found in a variety of habitats, including freshwater ponds, streams, wetlands, forests, and even deserts. Some species, like the tree frog, live in trees, while others, like the bullfrog, the evolution of octopuses. Octopuses are highly intelligent. They can solve puzzles, open jars, and even escape from enclosures. After mating, female octopuses lay thousands of eggs and then die shortly after the eggs hatch. Uncovering the secrets of elephant. Elephants communicate using a range of vocalizations, including low-frequency sounds called infrasound that can travel long distances. Elephants have the largest brains of any land animal, and their brain structure is similar to that of humans in areas related to memory and emotions. The evolution and adaptations of turtles. Turtles are known for their protective shells, which are made of two parts: the carapace top and the plastron bottom. This shell is part of their skeleton. The social structure of dolphin pods. Dolphins have streamlined bodies adapted for fast swimming. Their bodies are built for efficiency in the water, allowing them to reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. Dolphins are mammals, so they need to come to the surface to breathe air. The secret lives of penguins. Penguins parenting involves shared responsibilities. For instance, in emperor penguins, males incubate the eggs on their feet while females hunt for food. Penguins primarily feed on fish, exploring the diversity of shark species. Sharks have special organs called ampullae of Lorenzen that detect electric fields in the water, helping them locate prey even in darkness or murky waters. Sharks have multiple rows of teeth, and they can shed and replace thousands of teeth over their lifetime. Some sharks can lose up to 35,000 teeth in their lifetime. Sharks' skeletons are made of cartilage rather than bone, which is lighter and more flexible, adding in buoyancy and maneuverability. Appreciate your time committed to watching the Sandbox Chronicles, exploring the grip of safari animals and insects muddy mysteries adventure. Subscribe now for the Sandbox Chronicles, exploring the grip of safari animals and insects muddy mysteries, and enjoy an unforgettable adventure filled with discovery, creativity, and endless fun. Stay excited for more muddy adventures. Catch you later, little gang!